Can you visualize the excitement of not just reaching the top, but discovering there's an even higher peak to conquer? Like lounging on a bed of $1,000 bills and finding an even greater treasure underneath. What a dream! Or to be more realistic, it's like Barack Obama's journey from a US senator to the first African-American president of the United States. Or Elon Musk's transition from the Tesla Roadster to launching reusable rockets with SpaceX. You get the idea? We are talking about the kind of breakthrough that changes everything. And this is exactly what our video is all about. It's when the best surpasses even the best. When expectations are not just met, but shattered. And when the brightest lights shine even more brilliantly in the AI world, by Anthropic's mind-blowing release of Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. Get ready to explore these incredible moments where excellence reaches new heights and greatness becomes truly legendary with our new AI breakthrough. This brand new model isn't just another upgrade. It is a game changer that takes AI to a whole new level. Starting off strong with it giving GPQA a 5.9% boost over GPT-4. Talk about raising the bar. It is known that GPT-4 is already bright, but Claude 3.5 Sonnet is even brilliant, meaning it achieved a 5.9% improvement over GPT-4, demonstrating its advanced capabilities in understanding and answering a wide range of questions. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is outshining even GPT-4 and recent models like Llama. It shatters previous records with its new AI benchmarks. You might wonder how, or why. Well, if you have any question you can think of right now, Claude has an answer for that, even when you ask questions across different languages. Claude's multilingual abilities are absolutely top-notch. With an impressive MMLU score of 88.7%, this AI model is a true language genius, giving you accurate and reliable answers no matter what language you use. And when in doubt about codes and bugs, which are mostly a concern and a conversation in the tech worlds, Claude 3.5 Sonnet just scored a jaw-dropping 92% on coding tasks. The AI world should watch out, cause this AI means business. This is the kind of performance that's setting new benchmarks in AI. When it comes to business, accuracy is key. And Claude 3.5 Sonnet is leading the way with a stunning 91.6% on multilingual math. This AI is proving it can conquer complex math problems on a global scale. And if you've ever tackled those classic algebra problems with x's and y's, you will appreciate how this AI has nailed a stunning 87% on reasoning over text. Imagine having a super smart assistant that gets most of the tricky questions right, whether it's solving intricate puzzles or decoding difficult texts. A high score here shows the AI's ability to handle those aha moments with flair and accuracy. Pretty awesome, right? This score is a big deal because it shows how well the AI can read between the lines and reason like a pro. At this point, it really is the pro. Going back with the mathematics category, it outshines its other tool competitors with its math benchmark score. That's right, this benchmark shows that our AI isn't just crunching numbers. It is tackling complex equations and solving challenging problems. This AI is taking on a test full of the trickiest math problems out there, and it's nailing it with a 71.1% success rate. But wait, there's more. Alongside the math benchmark, this AI is acing every single grade school math problem with a jaw-dropping 96.4%. We are on an exciting ride with this one because this model is not just good at the basics. It's crushing those elementary math questions like it's a piece of cake. With an incredible 96.4% on the grade school math benchmark, this AI shows it's a math whiz from addition to division and everything in between. Algebra and geometry would be your best friend at this point. To prove my point, scoring an incredible 93% here means the AI is absolutely crushing it at the toughest challenges out there. Big Bench Hard is the ultimate brain buster for AI, where the most challenging questions and tasks are thrown at it. This impressive feat shows that the AI isn't just good, it is a top-tier performer, acing the most difficult problems with style and precision. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is nailing these benchmarks without a hitch. It's like showing up at a game and scoring a goal on the first try, every time. That's what this AI is doing with zero-shot settings. By achieving most benchmarks without any prior examples or hints, this AI is proving it's not just good, but incredibly versatile and ready for anything. I know, it might seem like we're in the middle of a sci-fi movie right now, and you might be thinking, is this for real? This sounds too good to be true. But trust me, we're talking about the absolute top of the line here. Hang on tight, because there's even more incredible things ahead that will prove just how Claude 3.5 Sonnet is setting the bar sky high for AI innovation. With cost-to-intelligence ratio, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is revolutionizing the AI game. It is smarter and more cost-effective than ever before, giving you premium AI power without the premium price tag. It's like getting a first-class experience on an economy budget. It's like finding a diamond in the rough, exceptional quality at an unbeatable price. Have you ever found a diamond in the rough? Most likely no, but that's why Claude is here. It is ready to make changes in the AI world. It isn't just breaking the mold, it's redefining it. With amazing reasoning skills for tackling tough problems, a sleek new interface for effortless interaction, and next-level coding abilities for all your programming needs, this model is on fire. And let's not forget its powerful vision capabilities. Think complex data tasks and stunning presentations. With artifacts, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is revolutionizing the way you work on projects. This amazing feature lets you collaborate in real time, so you and your AI assistant can build, refine, and perfect your creations together. Whether you're designing a game, creating a presentation, or just brainstorming new ideas, Artifacts show instant updates and lets you make changes on the fly. It's like having a creative partner who's always ready to help you bring your visions to life in the moment. Artifacts makes collaboration smoother, more intuitive, and incredibly fun. Speaking of collaboration, advanced agentic coding in Claude 3.5 Sonnet is like having a supercharged coding assistant. This incredible feature has boosted Claude's problem-solving skills, allowing it to tackle 64% of coding problems compared to just 38% for the previous model, Claude Opus. To simply put, what others can do, Claude can do better. This AI doesn't just throw code at you, but actually understands and fixes complex programming challenges with a high success rate. Whether you need to debug tricky code or implement new features, advanced agentic coding means Claude 3.5 Sonnet can handle more problems efficiently and effectively. It is not just a leap forward, it's a quantum jump into the world of coding. And since we are talking about the leap forward into the future here, future releases and enhancements are about to make Claude 3.5 Sonnet even more amazing. We have them by the name of Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus, promising to elevate AI capabilities even further. Plus, a brand new memory feature is in development to make your interactions with Claude even more personalized and effective. Talking about more, the best of the best is yet to come. With Claude 3.5 Sonnet, we're stepping into a new era of AI excellence. This model is redefining the possibilities of artificial intelligence with its remarkable improvements and cutting-edge features. The future is full of exciting opportunities, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet is leading the way. Want to stay ahead in the world of AI just like Claude? Hit that like button, drop us a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content that's going to reshape the future of technology. Thank you so much for watching. Let's explore the next big things together.